Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Yukon Denali. This one's fitted with the 6.2 liter V8 that is a derivative of the one that's found in your Camaro. With the higher trim level Yukons and Tahoes, you get quad exhaust. Power liftgate, of course. Nice GMC floor mats. Aluminum trim. And then when you have the key fob handy, if you want to just open up this rear glass to just drop things right in, you can do so. Pretty cool idea. I am definitely a fan of it. Dark sky metallic is this color, and it is absolutely beautiful. This is the Denali Premium package with the rear seat media, which I'll go into once we get over to the other side. Dark Sky Metallic's a $495 option, and this one also has the Max Trailering package, which comes with a bigger radiator, trailering system, trailer side blind spot alert, in-vehicle trailering app. It's really, really impressive. This one also has magnetic ride, which really does make a difference. After I've driven a bunch of Tahoes and stuff like that, this just rides so well. I mean, you can barely feel any of these massive potholes. And you can just see, I mean, the vehicle is a little dirty because, I mean, we've just got it in off the truck recently, but just look at this metallic color. It's absolutely beautiful. I can probably, because this won't be as dirty, pull up a flashlight and you see just that metallic flake. Here we have your rear seat media. This is your home page. This one still has the protective cover on it, or the screen protector. But you can watch. You have HDMI connections. It's just awesome. You can show traffic map. I mean, just look at that. That's just so cool. I mean, you could sit there and all day just play with that. Yeah, there's Italy. Whoa, went way far into Italy. It's just really, really cool. And if you want to go back to where you're at, go right here. Of course, you can see all the traffic, your main highways. A little bit of a backup there. Mall, New Hampshire. It's just really, really cool. And then we, if I'm not mistaken, where are we at? I think we're right here. Yep. Dealership's right there. Right off of 293. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and go up front. $82,000 is the sticker on this one, which actually surprises me because the Tahoe High Country I drove was $81,000. So this is only $1,000 more. So you can go through, your checklist. Alright, hitch is securely mounted. It's locked, plugged in, the proper, safety chains in place, jack stowed, probably inflated, boom, and boom. You can also go in, let's name, let's do boat trailer. It's just really, really cool. Sweet. Now, if you've watched my Tahoe video, you'll notice something very different. The entire dashboard is different compared from the Tahoe to the Yukon Denali. The SLT Yukon has the same dash as the Tahoe, but this is much more upright, whereas the Tahoe, the screen's up here and it's kind of raked back a bit. This is more upright. It's really, really cool that they decided to change it up like that, because not a lot of car manufacturers do that in terms of cost saving and stuff like that. And yes, I mean, this thing is just absolutely beautiful. Funny, even the windows are super quiet. Do have your virtual rear view mirror as well. That is a camera display, as you can't see my hand. Now it's time to hear that 6.2. The get up and go of these vehicles is frankly absurd. There's no reason for these to be as quick as they are. But yet, you know, GMC, Chevy, they're like, yeah, let's put the V8 from the Camaro in here. Why not? Do have auto start stop. It's easily disabled by pushing that button there. The transmission is like butter. Can't feel the shifts at all. Which is good because there's 10 cogs in there. So just imagine 10 gears, and if it was like slamming you in your back every time it shifts, or it was wicked slow to shift, you'd have to deal with that through 10 ratios. So it's very good that they got it right. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.